Now, bitter confrontations between parties can't always be avoided, but is hiring a lawyer the answer, or can conflict resolution be better with a neutral third party? Nicole Davidson is a negotiation advisor and joins us this afternoon. Why can hiring a lawyer actually lead to more conflict, Nicole?
Oh, hi, Mon. Thanks for having me. The challenge with going to a lawyer is that lawyers work in an adversarial process. It's a system that's designed for fighting. We're using the same adversarial process we've used for hundreds of years. So typically what happens if I've got a dispute with my neighbour, or if I've got a business dispute, and I go to a lawyer, what's likely to happen is the lawyer sends a letter to the other side. I'm told not to speak to the other side anymore. And the other side will do one of two things. Either they will lawyer up as well, and now it's just generally written communication going backwards and forwards, or they freak out because they go, oh my God, it's a lawyer's letter, I'm scared, and they stop all future communication. So what that means is, either you've got increasing legal fees, you've got delays, and there's more frustration. So what was a small dispute, suddenly the conflict raises because it's not being dealt with in a timely manner.
What are the other options?
Well, look, mediation and facilitation are the processes that can help people through this. And really that's just bringing in a neutral third party. It can be a formal process or an informal process, but they help guide the parties through a negotiation. So they help see what's important to both of the parties. They look at things from a very practical perspective, and they try to work out a solution that will work for both parties. Often people think of mediation in the family law context because we're familiar with it there, but they don't often think about it in terms of neighbourhood disputes or business disputes.
Cost is a factor, Nicole. Justice may feel unattainable for many. What then?
Look, it's absolutely a challenge, and I think it's one of the reasons why bringing a neutral in is so important, because the minute you start down the litigation process, going to court, it's expensive. Lawyers' fees, filing fees, it all adds up, and it becomes a process you can't easily get out of. Mediation gives you a chance to deal with those issues quickly. Even if you don't get to a settlement, you'll probably have got some clarity around the dispute that will actually make the legal process run smoother anyway.
Before you leave us, and very quickly, when is hiring a lawyer the only option?
Look, unfortunately, you can't force somebody into mediation. So if they're not willing to participate, you're going to have to go down the legal route.
Thanks for helping viewers negotiate better outcomes, Nicole.
Pleasure, Mon.